Hey, welcome back. This is Shane with Vested Interest. I thought I was done with updates to the portfolio for September, but I went ahead on Friday and actually picked up a little bit or added a little bit more to the portfolio. So I thought I'd jump on and do a quick update to show you what those purchases are. So let's just jump right into it. On Friday, I invested another $1,198.77 into the portfolio, and with that $1,198.77, I picked up one share of Johnson & Johnson, 8 shares, or Johnson & Johnson ticker JNJ, 8 shares of Intel, ticker INTC, 6 shares of Verizon, ticker VZ, and 2 more shares of IBM. Trying to focus a little bit more on some of the undervalued tech sector. In my opinion, Intel is pretty undervalued. IBM, even with its recent move up. Verizon had a little dip this week, so I picked up a few more shares there. And Johnson & Johnson, I've kind of been just adding to pretty regularly lately. And just a quick portfolio update that brings the total portfolio to date to $42,713.93 with a dividend yield of 4.155%. And the annual dividend income payout is $1,774.75. That includes all reinvested dividends. And actually, one of the things I'm working on, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together a quick presentation of every month and all the dividends paid out weekly. I'll probably just put a calendar and put what day the dividends were paid out, how many shares were paid out, and I'll try to put that together and show that maybe this weekend. As I've mentioned before, I work through the week, so it's hard for me to do these updates. I actually worked on this update over the weekend and just finally had some time to throw something together. So let's go over the sector weights again real quick. In communications, 6.65%. Again, I'd like to bring that up a little bit. That was part of the reason I added some Verizon this pay period. Consumer discretionary, 2.15. I probably want to bring that one up a little bit as well. I'm actually looking on my watch list. I've got a couple of companies. Williams Sonoma is one I'm looking at. I might add some there. Best Buy is another one that I was looking at. I'd like to get Lowe's or Home Depot, but they're pretty expensive right now, so I'd probably wait for a dip on either one of those. But again, 2.15%. I'd like to bring that up to around 5%. Consumer staples at 14.77. Actually, I'm not too concerned with that one. I don't mind consumer staples. Those are items people are going to buy anyway in good times and bad, so I don't mind that being around 14-15%. Energy at 11.23%. I'm fine with that around 11 to 12%. Financials at 7.66. I might want to bring that up to around 10. Healthcare 12.46. I'm fine there. Industrials, again, I'm probably a little heavy in industrials, maybe around 12%. So bring that down a little as I bring up communications and consumer discretionary. That's an area I could probably bring down a little bit. Technology at 8.06. Anywhere around 10% is probably good on technology. Materials at 3.31%. I'm fine with 3%, around 3%. Utilities at 10.7. Probably fine there. REIT and real estate at 7%. And I've got a ETF at 0. I don't have any ETFs in the portfolio currently, but it's something I may add in the future just to give myself another avenue with really passive income. Just throw some money into a ETF or a couple ETFs to kind of get more exposure to the overall market. My portfolio is pretty diverse and pretty spread out across the market, but there's some ETFs that maybe do a little better job and invest in some things that I don't necessarily invest in. And again, I'm probably going to try to put together a quick presentation, maybe show monthly what dividends have been paid out by what companies, how much the portfolio is accumulating dividends. That actually helps add to that annual dividend income. It's not just the amount of money that I put in every week or every other week. It's also the reinvested dividends that continues to allow that annual dividend income snowball. to accumulate. And keeping this quick, guys, again, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion. An investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you are not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor. If this presentation has helped you in any way, if you found any value, click the like button or thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share with anyone you think might get some value out of here. Again, this is Shane with Vested Interest, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.